No! My hubby decided he's making me breakfast this morning. Hmm? Look at that camera. You're trying to be nice today.
I'm always nice. I'm always working. If I'm not working at working place, I'm working at home. You know? Supposing I have to be at home all the time and you have to work all the time, I will make food all the time. Different types of food. And I will take care of the child at the same time I'm making the food. You see?
Okay, come to mommy.
Come. Yes. We are cutting the vegetables. But how can I be holding you and cutting the vegetables now? I can't do that. Even the onions, the peppers, the chili, I can't hold you and cut them. So I'm going to give you something to play with. While you play with them, I cut them, okay? Yes. La 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 la.
Take time in your hand. Yeah, cut it like you could have worked in a restaurant.
I told you, anything I do it well. Anything at all I do.
Except for?
Even when I sleep well. You sleep, I'm sleeping with you.
You think that we could have cut vegetables so? Not even me can cut no vegetables so. Yes, mommy tell her cut it. Look how you do it. How you do it? You don't know how you do it. But we couldn't do it.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. Oh yeah.
Yes, man, do it just like what me and then have to do. Do it. See,
I believe
so
if it is
guys,
you,
when
you
his
have a
dad
way.
is at home, he don't give me no trouble. He just stick to his dad.
Okay, now I'm going to put one leg here and hold him. Yes, let him stay here. I use this hand. Oh my God, OJ, I can't hold the vegetable like this. You see, I need this hand to hold the vegetable. You see?
So guys, he is the mommy today. When he's at home, this little boy just takes it on him. Oh my God. Sorry, but I cannot help you today. I said come.
Go to mommy. Go to mommy so I
Come
can
to
have free
mommy.
hand. But I want to have free hand to cut the vegetables, the onions and everything. So I can't be holding you in my hand and be cutting them. So go to mommy, okay? Go,
Come.
mommy.
Come, baby. Seriously?
Okay. Let's manage it. Oh, this thing, we need this.
Are you putting egg as well?
You shouldn't have been now.
How may I make this short spots me?
Oh, okay.